a shot. Today I'm going to give you some tips on how to make a successful shot of the stick shot downrange. So this is a very simple device to use. It has a two-way safety that neglect any type of unwanted deployments of this device. So in order to get the safety off and prepared to fire, what you're going to do is rotate this red switch left or right, either way doesn't matter. And then that opens up the ability to flick off this black tab, exposing the metallic trigger. Now when you're aiming the stick shot, it's kind of like a Roman candle. You need to make sure you have a linear plane. You're shooting on a flat plane, otherwise it will loft up like a Roman candle. So what I typically do is I aim between my thumb and the finger down the barrel. That gives me a good line of sight and a good sight picture. And then I make sure that there's no tilt on the stick shot and it's flat. And you can make an accurate shot downrange.